What is going on, guys? Scotty Restores Kicks, and in this video, we're gonna see if we can ice up these Jordan 6 Sport Blues. Let's see if we can bring them back to life. You're not gonna wanna miss this video. Check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty restoring kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
All right, guys. So here are the sixes. Really yellow on the bottom. Almost got a little brown tint to them. These are gonna be one. We're gonna see if we can bring these back to life. They look like they went off the deep end, but guess what? We're gonna bring them back. I got full faith we can get these things back to icy. So we're gonna get right into it right now. Before we get into the video, if there's any other tips and tricks that you wanna know about cleaning your shoes or restoring your shoes, go to sneakerallstars.com and check out my new blog. On there, you'll find all the tips and tricks you need to help restore your shoes and to get them cleaned up. And I know you see right here, we got the off-white shirt right here. I make custom shirts like this on my page. Go to kickscrib.com. That is also where you can get the UV light that I use to ice up these shoes. So now let's get into the video. All right, guys, it's been 3 sessions now, and you are not ready to see these, man. Woo! We got these things back to icy. Yes, sir. Now, we do have a little bit of yellow still going on, but this did clear up a crazy amount from the start, and I'm actually shocked at how much this cleared up. Especially in some spots, you can actually see some of the blue that's back. Now before, as you know, these things were like a brown, yellow, and now for that mostly to go, there's still a little bit in here, but all in here is pretty clean. And again, you have some blue tint, especially on the side, but it's at least clear and you can see through it. It looks like that gel material, not just that yellow, brown, whatever that was. But look at the difference, guys. Look at this, look at before. I also have a picture in better light. I don't have good lighting right here. So in better light, this is what it looks like. Big difference. Guys, I am so hyped about this. And am I surprised though? No, I'm not surprised because, guys, we do this. We ice shoes out here like this. Like, this is an everyday thing, okay? But I always get hyped every time I ice up a pair of shoes, so I am hyped about that. Now, if you want to know what UV light I use, go in the description. If you also go to kickscrib.com, you'll be able to find it there. These things are selling like crazy. Everyone's been telling me how great they've been working. I have a bunch of reviews on it. I'm telling you, this is the UV light to use, and you need to use this UV light. No other light, this light. Don't go on Amazon and get the $60 one that doesn't end up working. Because I promise you, I've done that. That's why I tested all these different lights, and I finally found the one that works every time. And that is the one you can find on my page. Also, don't forget, if you want to find out more tips and tricks on cleaning your shoes up, go to my blog, which is sneakerallstars.com. Go check that out. And now, since we've iced this up and it's the end of the video, you know what time it is. If you have any other questions or video suggestions, please drop it in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos like this, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So Scotty Restores Kicks, and you want to be icy? Well, starts in the soul. I'm gonna see you next time.